Hey fam, it's Miss D here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we're doing Finna Hit My Walk. It is 4 wall dance and it's 6/8 counts, but it's fun and it's easy, it's fun, so you'll get it no problem. So we'll go through the counts and then we'll do it with the music too, all right? So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna turn my back to make it easier to follow. Okay, this is my right, this is my left, that's the front, and that's the back wall. All right, first 8 counts. We're going to step with our right and hold it for 2, and then step with our left, hold for 2, and then we're going to step back right, left, and then knee up, right knee, left knee. Okay, so it's 1, hold 2, step left, 3, hold 4, and then right, left, that's 5, 6, knee, knee. Okay, so it's right, hold 2, left, hold 2, right, left, knee, knee. Okay, in the count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's first count of 8, right? Second count of 8. So we just finished our left knee is up. We're going to rock, rock, 2. So rock up, back, and then you're going to do a half turn to face the back wall with a cha-cha. Okay? So rock, back, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's 3 and 4. Okay? So 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. So we just made a half turn. We're in the back. And then we're going to rock 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to do another half turn to get us back to the front wall. Okay, so that second 8 count 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's rock, back, cha, 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 rock with the right, turn to the left, rock with the right, turn to the left. Okay, let's put those first 2 8 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right and left, right, left, knee, knee. Now rock, cha, cha, cha. Now rock and rock. Okay, one more time. Let's count it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here, third 8 count. You are going to stop with the right, and then you're going to ball change, kick. Okay, so stomp, ball change, kick. All right, now when you stomp, I want you to bounce with it a little bit. All right, so it's bounce, ball change, kick. Okay, all right, feel the rhythm. Ready? So do that much. 5. Where did we just finish? We just rocked. 6, 7, 8. Bounce. Well, stomp, ball change, kick. Okay. From here, you're going to step down, lift up your back leg, step that back leg down, lift up the front leg. Okay. So we're just down, up, down, up. So starting with that third 8 count with the stomp. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, ball change, kick, down, up, down, up. Okay. So we just went 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, ball change, kick, down, up, right? In the count 1, hold 2, and 3, kick 4, down 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's put those first 3 8 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right and left. Right, left, knee up, knee up. Now rock and turn. Now rock it and turn. Now stop. Ball change, kick, down, up, down, up. Okay? From here, our left leg is up. Fourth 8 count, we're going to step back with the left, step back left, step back right, and then you're going to coaster with the left. So 1 and 2. Okay? So we're here. Step back, back, coaster step. Okay? So in the count is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? From here, you're going to kick 5, down 6, step forward 7, pivot half turn 8. All right, let's try it again. We just went down, up, step back 1, 2, coaster, step, kick, and down, step forward with the left, turn on 8. Okay, half turn, right? Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Kick 5, down 6, step 7, turn 8. From here, you're going to, this is the 5th count of 8. You're going to do the duck walk or the pimp walk. I've heard it called both things. Okay, so you're just going to step down, like kick, down, kick, down, kick, down, kick, down. All right, and you're stepping forward, starting with the left, because we just went kick, down, step, half turn. So our left foot's in the back. We're going to bring it forward, kick it, left down, kick right down, kick left down, kick right down. And this is where you're going to see flavor, y'all. People be leaning, just, it's a duck walk, it's a pimp walk. So you get it, all right? That's the 5th count of 8. So we just went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, last count of 8, we're going to pick up our left. We're going to rock it. 1, 2, turn, half turn, back to the front. 3 and 4. And then you're going to kick right, 5 and 6, kick left, and then step with the right, step, and then do a quarter turn to the left. So what you're doing, kick and step, turn, okay? So that's 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So we just finished our walking. We're going to rock, 2, turn, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's where the dance starts over, right? That's the whole dance, okay? All right. From the 4th 8 count, ready? 5, 6, 7, walk back, 2, 3, and 4, kick, 6, 7, turn 8. Now pimp walk it, 3, 4, duck walk, 6, 7, 8. Now rock, turn back. Now kick, step, turn. Okay? All right, now let's put all 6 8 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right and left, right, up. Now rock and turn. Now rock it back to the front. Now stop and kick, down, up. Now back, 2, coaster, step, kick, step, turn. Now walk and walk. Now rock and turn to the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're to the side, right? And this is where the dance starts over. So let's do it from this angle. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Single and single. Double, knee. Now rock and turn. Now rock back to the front. Now stop and kick, down, up. Now back to coaster, step, kick, down, step, and walk. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now rock, 2, turn it, kick, step, and turn. Dance starts over, right? So now let's put it to some music, all right? Let's get the flavor with the song.
Oh, yeah. Maybe that boy, young boy. T-time. Finna hit my walk. Limp with the walk. Finna hit my walk. Limp with the walk. Somebody limp with the walk. Hit that walk. Somebody limp with the walk. Hit that walk. Somebody limp with the walk. Move to the left, now limp with the walk. Move to the right, now limp with the walk. Get real low, now limp with the walk. Everybody limp with the walk. Finna show you how I limp with the walk. Let's go. Finna hit my walk. When I'm up in the club, I don't wanna talk. Limp with the walk. Finna hit my walk. When I see a bad bitch in the parking lot. Limp with the walk. Finna hit my walk. When I hear that live song drop. Limp with the walk. Finna hit my walk. I don't care what you say. Finna hit my walk. Finna hit my walk. Hit my walk. Finna hit my walk. Hit my walk. hit my walk. I'ma show these niggas I'm nothing to be played with.
All right, that's the dance, guys. Have fun with it. Enjoy. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Grow with me. I'm enjoying this. Hope you are too. See you next time. Mwah.